Have you ever wondered how to organize your garage storage? I'm Dr. Catherine Macy with Organize to Excel, and I've got a few tips here for you today. First question is, what to store in your garage? There's some obvious things that you're going to put into there. Your garden equipment, some sports equipment, perhaps some tools, any seasonal decorations, really anything that's not affected by temperature changes, humidity changes, or pests. We really want to keep those pests out of what's in your garage. So what are some of the things that you shouldn't put in your garage? There's really all those things affected, those things are affected by temperature, humidity, or pests. Things like wine, not a good idea to keep that in your garage. The temperature changes just way too much. It should be kept in a cool place at all times. Paintings, don't keep your paintings in there. They're going to mildew, they're going to get warped, they're going to do all those things that you don't want your paintings to do. Don't store any old wooden furniture in there either. It's very easy to get water damage in garages, and they are definitely prone to having that type of damage in there. Cardboard boxes, same thing. Don't store your things in cardboard boxes. They disintegrate over time. They let dust in, the pests come in, they chew holes in them, they get into the stuff that's in there. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Important documents, they should never be stored in your garage, and they want to be kept inside in a much more temperature controlled place where pests aren't going to get into as well. And food is obvious, right? Don't encourage those pests. Old paint cans, oh my goodness, a number of times we've seen old paint cans in garages, and you open them up and have a look inside and it's just like hard and crusted. It's not possible to use it. The temperature change is just too much for them. Find a different cool place to store them somewhere else, or get rid of it once you've done your painting. Maybe keep a small can for touch-ups, but don't keep it in the garage. Old photographs, same thing as documents, really. Very, very prone to water damage, actually prone to heat damage as well. You're going to lose more of the color and everything like that if you leave your photos in the garage, just due to the temperature changes. And fine fabrics, don't put any delicate fabrics in there. Save any dresses or anything like that with lace or anything like that. It's going to get damaged. It's going to be affected by pests. It's not a good thing in there. And finally, don't store any hazardous waste or anything like that in there, or your propane tanks. They should be taken to the donation places, the waste accepting places, as early as you're finished with those sorts of things. So that's it. Dr. Catherine Macy with Organize to Excel. What to store in your garage, what not to store in your garage. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it. Follow us on social media, or you can visit our webpage on organizetoexcel.com. Thanks very much. Thanks for listening.